Toasted with Sky Flakes. Crush the Sky Flakes crackers. You can use a food processor or blender to grind them up, or crush them in a zip top bag with a rolling pin. Cut the cheese into thick, even strips. Whisk egg together with a pinch of salt and pepper powder in a bowl until well combined. One at a time, coat each cheese stick in the flour, then the egg mixture twice, and finally the crushed crackers. Deep fry about 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. It really doesn't take long as the coating is thin and you don't want to overcook the cheese. Perfectly cooked.